Hello and welcome to Reactive Terrain. This is one of the world's most coolest scaled indoor mini crawler courses the internet has to offer. And this is our course, a space built for precision, challenge and fun. Step inside and you'll see every turn, every obstacle designed to test your skills and keep you moving. And as we pan across the course, just take a good look. Endless lines and adventure waiting to be tackled. To hone in your skills and control, our surface has been engineered for a consistent grip. Wherever you're racing, from times or practice techniques, every section flows naturally into the next, creating a rhythm that keeps you engaged from start to finish. Ever evolving and moving with every rig that passes by, Reactive Terrain is a mixture, a blend between nature and handcrafted. Almost 2 years in the making, and we're still not finished. Because this is more than just a course. It's a place to learn, compete and enjoy. Whether you're a newcomer or an expert in driving, our indoor course is always ready. Come and experience the challenge, the thrill, the lines and the adventure the Reactive Terrain has to offer. Every turn has an opportunity to push further. Whether you're discovering the thrill for the first time or chasing your best run ever, our indoor crawler course is ready. But the big question is, are you? You can find us on Facebook and Instagram by simply searching ReactiveTerrain RC. And support us on one of the craziest journeys you'll ever see on the internet regarding the world of micro and mini RCs. Because we're just getting started. And we want to take each and every one of you on our crazy adventure. I hope you enjoyed our course, and I want to thank you for taking the time and watching Reactive Terrain RC.